Okay, today we're going to start lesson one of the dragsters. We have just handed out the criteria sheet for dragsters. Before we start doing our 3-view drawing, we need to pay attention to a few things on here. Number one, body length. That needs to be between 200 millimeters and 305 millimeters. The other thing that we need to worry about is when we're drawing this would be the axle holes from the bottom of the car. So we need to worry about that when we're drawing axle holes. And we need to know where the axle holes are placed from the front and the rear of the car. And we also need to be aware of the wheelbase between the two axle holes that we drill. From here, then the last thing we need to worry about is the safety zone thickness. That's 3 millimeters, so that hole that's in the back of the block, you must leave at least 3 millimeters of wood the whole way around. These are the things that we need to pay attention to while we're designing our dragsters. So now once we have this finished, then we can move on to laying out our design. And that will be lesson 2. Good luck, and rewind and use this as many times as you need.